Thanks. So good afternoon, everyone. After listening to all these brilliant talks, I have a confession to make to all of you. I want to show you a simple equation, not a simple, optimization of an algorithm. My presentation only contains 4 words. I think you saw it in Greek, in 4 words, in English in 3. So there's a reason for that. Today we've heard from all of us Greeks building AI. I want to talk about the Greeks that will build AI in the future. So 1 year ago, AI Academy started in my living room. You can see it here. And today, there are children aged from 4 years old until 18 years old that come to our campus and to learn not how to use AI, but how to become builders with AI. And we believe that AI education should look very different from traditional education. It's something that is like 30% theory, 70% building, and these kids are building products, they design websites, they create AI agents from the very young age, that they get inspired. Of course, the young ages, they don't touch neither the keyboard, nor the laptop, it's more about storytelling and creativity, but they solve problems that matter. And this is where the magic happens. In the same classroom, you will find kids from privileged families that can pay such great education. You can find children with learning disabilities because AI eliminates any learning disability that our Greek education system teaches us, and it's very difficult to cope with. And you can find children with families that simply cannot afford to have such an education. Actually, 20% of the students enter this academy without paying anything. Because, somewhere in Keratsini, somewhere in Evosmos, there are kids that can become the next Greek AI scientists like you, but they simply don't have the means to do so. Talent is equally distributed to all of us. The opportunity is not equally distributed. So more than 70 people at the moment are supporting this initiative, including entrepreneurs, including educators, including engineers, including researchers, including a lot of investors, and around a quarter of them are PhDs. There are 70 people and a quarter of them are PhDs because we really respect people who have created knowledge to create a new educational system. We talk a lot about AI ethics in there, and of course how building for the next society can happen. I genuinely believe that the greatest AI minds of the future, the Greek AI minds, are sitting in this academy, maybe the greatest AI minds in the world. And if you take today as a scientist, as a researcher, or as an engineer, you would like to help to shape these kids, I invite you to either become a teacher or give one lecture or some mentorship to these kids, and maybe inspire them a bit, because the next Greeks in AI are really growing up today. Thank you very much.